Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to paint a landscape using acrylic colors. So watch the video till the end, and before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more art videos. So let's start. First of all, I'm painting the sky using cerulean blue, light blue and white color. Now painting the grasses at the bottom using sap green and viridian hue. I'm also mixing Prussian blue color for darker results. Adding yellow color for lighter areas. And blending all the colors. Now I'm painting the base layer of the trees. The base layer should be dark, so I have mixed Prussian blue color with viridian hue. And in the light areas, I'm using sap green with yellow. Now painting the greeny part on the water. As this part is very light, so I am using a small amount of sap green mixed with yellow and white color. I am using a cat tongue brush here. And for the darker areas, I am using viridian hue and sap green color. And here I am using light blue color mixed with white. Now making some white clouds in the sky. This will add a realistic look to the painting. Now adding some highlights in the trees using yellow color. I'm using a Filbert brush to get the texture. Now adding some more details here. Now with the help of a Filbert brush, I'm creating small leaf-like structure floating on the water surface. Adding more yellow shade to the grasses. I'm painting some parts with dark green to show shadow. Now I'm adding some tiny white flowers. For that I'm just making small dots. Painting some branches and leaves here. Now in this area, I'm painting a lady sitting on a wooden chair and a table beside her. For the base layer, I'm using burnt sienna mixed with yellow ochre and white. I'm using white color for her head and dress. adding some more details. Now I am using Prussian blue color for the small details in the dress. And it's completed. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit the like button, comment your thoughts below, share it with your friends, and most important, do subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Check out my works on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.